Welcome back. In the last video, we built the hub, the secure infrastructure. Now we need to fill that hub with data, but we don't want to copy data. Copying data is expensive, insecure, and outdated. In this video, I'm going to show you the three clouds integration pattern. Specifically, we are going to talk about the new IQ layer that Microsoft announced at Ignite. This is the secret to building agents that actually know what they are talking about. The silo problem. Why do most AI projects fail? Because they built Doom bots. A Doom bot is just a GPT wrapper. It talks eloquently, but it doesn't know who you are and it doesn't know what your company sold yesterday. To build an integrated agent, we need two missing pieces. User context. I'm Luis, the CTO, and data grounding. Here is the Q3 spreadsheet, for example. If you miss either of these, your agent is a toy. The Triad architecture. This brings us to the Triad. At Ignite 25, Microsoft formalized this into three specific brains. Work IQ. The who. This is used to be used M365 is the graph. It tells the agent who the user is, who their manager is, and what emails they have access to. Is the productivity brain. Then Fabric IQ, the what. This is the business data brain. It holds your SQL data, your PDFs, your Parquet files in OneLake. It is the single source of truth. Then Foundry IQ, the how. This is the engine we are building here. It takes the context from Work IQ and the facts from Fabric IQ and use reasoning to execute an action. Now, how do we connect Fabric IQ to Foundry IQ? Do we run an ETL pipeline? Do we copy the PDFs? No, we use OneLake Shortcuts. What are shortcuts? As you can see, shortcuts are objects in OneLake that point to other storage locations. The locations can be internal or external to OneLake. The location that a shortcut point is to known as the target path of the shortcut. The location where the shortcut appears is known as the shortcut path. This is zero copy AI. It saves you money on storage and it keeps your security team happy because the data never leaves the governed boundary. You don't have to copy it. To summarize, so we have the hub and now we have the data flowing into it via OneLake Shortcuts. We have covered a lot of theory, strategy, team, architecture, and data. It's time to get our hands dirty. In the next videos, we are stopping the presentations, the PowerPoint presentations. We are going to do a live portal walkthrough of the new Foundry Management Center, and I show you exactly where to click to set this up. See you in the next module.